To troubleshoot Absa Bank Forex rates. Start by understanding what Forex rates are and how they work. Forex rates, also known as foreign exchange rates, are the prices at which one currency can be exchanged for another. Absa Bank, like other banks, provides these rates for its customers to conduct international transactions. First, check the Absa Bank website for the current Forex rates. The website should have a section dedicated to Forex, where you can find the latest rates. Compare these rates with other reliable sources, such as Z or Bloomberg, to ensure accuracy. If you find a discrepancy, contact Absa Bank customer service to report the issue. They will investigate and provide an explanation or correction as needed. It is also essential to understand the different types of Forex rates, including spot rates, forward rates, and exchange rates for various currencies. When troubleshooting, consider the time of day and market conditions, as Forex rates can fluctuate rapidly. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with Forex transactions, as these can affect the overall cost of your transaction. To get the best Forex rates, consider using Absa Bank's online banking platform or mobile app, which often provide more competitive rates than branch rates. You can also set up rate alerts to notify you when the rate reaches your desired level. Best practices for troubleshooting Absa Bank Forex rates include regularly checking rates, understanding market conditions, and being aware of fees and charges. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can effectively troubleshoot Absa Bank Forex rates and make informed decisions about your international transactions.